So yan, nandito kami sa Huntington Beach. Pretty close to 6 o'clock p.m. Pretty close to the Hilton. Yan yung background ko. Pati kaming 5:30, 6 o'clock nandito kami. You can just easily park. There's not a lot of struggle for parking. Ano dito? Maluwang right now for late September afternoon to evening. So yeah, we're walking now to the Cabo Wabo area, the bar. Ito yung beach side ng ng Waterfront Hotel ng Hilton. Cabo Wabo bar. The Cabo Wabo bar is here. You can order drinks and stuff. All right. Right here. And there's the hotel, di ba? Lakad ka dito, across the street. Meron din daw siyang poolside na fire pit. But this one is good. Yeah, meron siyang poolside na fire pit. Magre-reserve ka for $300. That's 4 people, $25 each additional one. Alright? Yung hotel staff, meron kang butler, just like Rina said. These butlers, ayan sila, nagdadala ng mga kahoy-kahoy to feed the flame. You know? At eto tayo, kung papunta tayo dito sa Sabado, ayan yung mga guests. So, we can have up to 10 guests. Sabi niya, 11. But like I said, 4 people, $300. And then $25 each additional. So, merong, this is what's going on. May uma-acoustic guitar. Ha? Walang sinabi kay Ray to, Brad. So, that is the reserve. Hindi ka na maghahanap ng fire pit natin. Meron na tayo sarili. You don't have to be early. You don't have to book and check in. You can actually reserve it right now. Everybody confirms. But so far, baby, look at this. Hindi naman masyadong busy yung mga fire pits, ano? Hindi masyadong, ayan, no? Yeah. Yes. Hindi masyadong busy yung mga fire pits on a Saturday at 6 p.m. right now. Look, if we get as far as here, ang daming available. I don't know, Rina, if how busy they can get, but it's 6 p.m. right now, Saturday. Mukhang may mga available na fire pits. So this is the overall vibe dito. It's not too crowded right now. I think wala na yung mga bakasyonista. These are mainly mostly just locals na nandito dito. Yeah, we brought our dogs with us. Sasama namin yan sa Sabado. Okay, this is 6 p.m. on a Saturday. Ito mukhang may pa-birthday eh. Tignan mo, 40-year-old yung birthday or naka-reserve na rin yung fire pit dyan.
Yeah, we have a wedding party, a birthday party, and a graduation.
Yeah,
something like that.
we're thinking next Saturday,
Yeah.
September 20.
Yeah, all of our availability is different every week. So
Yeah.
like, yeah, exactly.
And there's just
I would assume that next Saturday we'll be able to be busy, but there's probably still availability. Friday is usually more chill than Saturday.
so there's gonna be how many of us? 10?
Yeah, the premium is gonna.
I have the video just to make sure.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
It all.
Our QR code's right there.
Oh,
You
yeah.
have to scroll all the way down though to the to find our offerings for our bonfires.
All right.
But it has all the availability and everything.
Okay.
There you go.
Sounds good.
Oh, there's facilities. Banyuhan. I mean, if you want, you can get there, and then here's the spot already. Malapit lang, di ba? It's nice. Actually, it's nice right now. Busy daw ngayon, pero I don't see that's not busy. Pero yan, makukuha mo na yung sunset pictorial mo, Konchang. Di ba? O yan, sunset na eh. Di ba?
Beside you in the warm firelight, all through the night.
It's just you and me, making
So we're heading back to the hotel. I don't think there's gonna be issue with parking. Ang daming parking na available. It's not as busy as I have expected. Maybe because summer is winding down. Wala na masyadong tao. Malamig na rin. So yeah, I mean, bring your wood to burn. Bring our stuff, and then we can, you know, beach bonfire summer here. You know, if you're in the checked in at the hotel, then that's it. Carpets not available, I think. Yes, para siyang mga kabana that could fit all of us, I think. Masikip ng konti. Ito yung pool area right there. Okay, so that's where we're at. Or sa beach na lang. Ganda ng sunset, oh. Pinagpawisan si ate, oh. Naglakad eh. And it's a nice 74, 75 degrees right now. Not bad. Diba? Tara, picture Kenny.
Nais ko'y makapiling ka ang muli. Nais ko'y mayagan kahit sa sandali.
In-house sa hotel. There you go. Yeah, so there. There's a poolside. And there's a pool.